Suppose you want to keep Windows 10 and Linux Ubuntu 22.04 in the same USB drive. Regular solutions like Rufus will not work in these cases. So, what should you do? Well, there is an open source solution for this, and it's YUMI. YUMI is an open source software developed by our favorite Linux fellows, and it's specially developed for putting multiple ISO images within the same drive. So, how you can do that? Let's see. But first, hit the intro editor.
First, go to Chrome or any browser that you have, then paste the link from the description I've already given. Don't click there, click here, yes, here, and scroll down. Keep it. It should download automatically, but if don't, click. Okay, well, it's working well, so okay, so here we go. First, let's open this PC. Now, here, YUMI. Let's open it. I'm not using the latest version here because it was causing problems, so I'm using a bit older version for working. Let's go for NTFS, and then first go to here. Of course, single Windows installer, then temporary. Then I want to install Windows 8.1. 10 a bit later. Yeah, I'm actually using Windows 8.1 now. Okay, click yes. Remember, this will wipe your whole pen drive or whatever you're using to boot that ISO. So yeah, and here we can see that it's making the partition. We better wait for some time. Yeah, it has started. But one thing to I want to say that it will take a lot of time, so be patient. Yeah, I just pause it, and well, it's taking a lot of time. It's almost 9 minutes, but I think yes, it's good. Now it's doing its finishing tasks, and okay, now click next if you wanna create more ISO. Okay, so here we go again. You don't need to tell that Yumi that what format you want to. Now just click any Linux distro. For me, it's Kali. Yeah, I already got Kali, so okay. Here we go. Let's create. Well, this time it will not format, of course, but it will take a lot of time, like a lot of time, like an eternity too. It depends on the speed. You're actually looking at the speed, right? Yeah, it may take a lot of time. It's all 17 minutes, man. I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay. Now the same things will happen, and we just better wait. Okay, so let me tell you why I'm not using the latest version. The latest version wasn't booting in my PC, so but don't worry, the method is completely same. if you're not if you're not satisfied with this, I also recorded the video of booting uh, booting some ISOs to the latest version. So it's taking a little bit more time than usual. I don't know why, for some reason. Okay, no, because we don't need 3 or 4. We just need 2 for this demonstration. Now you have to restart your PC or just shut down, whatever you want. Okay, sorry for the camera, but here we go. Different motherboards got different boot methods, so uh, mm, but it's pretty much similar. So let's go forward. Okay, save and exit setup. Okay, you're seeing this? Well, this is the multi-boot USB screen. Windows installer should contain Windows 8.1, and yes, it's containing, but we won't see that because we, like. So let me boot Kali Linux so we can make sure that the second ISO has. Oh, and here we go. It's successfully booted. So I think that it's good. And what else to say? Mm.
And that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. However, YouTube don't care if you dislike this video. Anyways, but be sure to subscribe to this channel and also visit my website, because good guys like you are always welcome to our community. And until the next video, bye bye.